In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run QuickBooks Payroll reports. QuickBooks is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your business finances, and its payroll reporting feature allows you to stay on top of employee wages, tax liabilities, and more. Whether you're preparing for tax season, managing payroll details, or simply need a clear overview of your employee earnings, QuickBooks has you covered. If you don't already have a QuickBooks account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the steps to generate payroll reports in QuickBooks. First, start by opening QuickBooks. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand panel on your screen. This is your main navigation hub, and it's where you'll find all the options you need to get around the software. Locate the option labeled Reports and click on it. If the menu on the left-hand side looks collapsed or minimized, you may only see icons instead of full names. To make it easier to find what you need, expand the menu so you can see the full names of each option clearly. This will help you navigate with ease. Now that you're in the Reports section, go ahead and navigate to the main area where all your reports are organized. At the top of this page, you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab labeled Standard. This is where you'll find the pre-built reports that QuickBooks has already set up for you. Once you're in the Standard tab, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find a section dedicated to payroll reports. This section is specifically designed for managing payroll-related data. Within the Payroll Reports section, you'll see several options for different types of reports. Take a moment to identify the specific report you need. Some common examples include the Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, Tax Liability Report, or Employee Earnings Report. Each report serves a unique purpose, so choose the one that best fits your needs. When you've identified the report you want to run, simply click on it. QuickBooks will generate the report for you and display it on your screen. Now take a closer look at the information provided in the report. Depending on the type of report you selected, you'll see various details such as employee names, pay periods, gross pay, taxes, deductions, and employer contributions. Review this data carefully to ensure everything looks accurate. At the top of the report view, you'll notice a section that shows the report period. This determines the date range for the data displayed in your report. If the default period doesn't match what you need, adjust it to the correct dates. QuickBooks allows you to customize the time frame to suit your requirements. If you're unable to find payroll reports or if the payroll feature seems to be missing, there are a couple of things to check. First, make sure that payroll is enabled in your company file. Without enabling payroll, these reports won't be accessible. Additionally, if you're encountering access issues, verify that your user role has permission to view payroll data. QuickBooks has role-based access settings, so it's important to confirm that your account has the necessary permissions to access payroll information. And that's it. You've now successfully run a payroll report in QuickBooks. With these steps, you can generate and review the data you need to manage your business's payroll efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.